My next client of Dr. Kim is Lisa Vega. Welcome to the show.
Nice to meet you. Thank you.
You are a dynamic-looking person.
Thank you.
What did you have done with Dr. Kim?
I had my breast done, and I had liposuction in my abdomen and my flanks, and I had a fat transfer to my buttocks.
That sounds very complicated. Perhaps you would explain what that really means?
Well, what it's termed in layman's term is the Brazilian butt lift. That's what you see on TV. Basically, it's a fat transfer. You take fat from the abdomen or wherever there's some fat to work with,
right,
and you concentrate it and you inject it into the butt. And
okay. And it stays there.
Most of the fat gets resorbed, but a percentage will live, and that percentage that lives will give you some enhancement.
So it's called a Brazilian butt lift.
Right, a Brazilian butt lift.
Do a lot of people come in for that?
I wouldn't say a lot, but there's definitely an interest in that. Nowadays, I think having a larger buttocks region is kind of the in thing.
It's fashionable.
Yeah, patients are coming for that.
One of the important things that we've asked all of Dr. Kim's clients when they've come in here is, how did you end up choosing him? What kind of research went in that?
Actually, I didn't do any research at all. I went through a referral, and the results of my friends were, it was perfect. It was great. It was fabulous.
They had already gone to him?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I liked the results, and that's how I chose Dr. Kim.
Okay. My next guest on the show is another one of Dr. Kim's clients, Shamika
Yes.
Toussaint.
Yes.
Welcome to the show.
Nice to meet you. Thank you.
Nice having you. Everybody that's come in here has come to Dr. Kim, highly recommended. How did you find Dr. Kim?
I was referred. I was recommended
by
two
another
friends.
friend.
Two
Well, I've heard
friends.
that time and time again. What did you actually get done?
I had breast augmentation.
Okay. And what made you decide you wanted to do breast augmentation?
I've always wanted them, just more confidence,
Yeah.
a better look, more shape with my body. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay. How has this changed your life?
It's helped with my modeling career, and
Really?
it's helped with my confidence. I love them. I just have fun, and it's just fun.
Okay. What do you do for a living?
I'm an esthetician, and I model.
Oh, do you?
Mhm.
And we'll see you in various magazines or where, on TV?
Soon, TV, magazine.
That's great. What was the one thing you were looking for in a plastic surgeon, in a cosmetic surgeon? And besides your friends telling you that Dr. Kim is great, what was the one thing you were looking for?
Well, number one, I needed to see the work,
Yeah.
how I wanted to get it through the belly button, and Dr. Kim does amazing through every way.
So you didn't want any scars?
Right,
Okay.
right. I did my research when I visited a couple of doctors, and they wanted to butcher me. But Dr. Kim, I was really confident in him,
Yeah.
and his work is amazing, and I had really good chemistry with him. He just he
Yeah.
calmed me. I was kind of a little scared, but he calmed me, and he made me very feel confident.
And my next guest, another client of Dr. Kim, is Nicole Diaz. Welcome to the show.
Hi, nice to meet
So
you.
what type of procedure did you have done with Dr. Kim?
I had liposuction to the abdomen and flanks.
Really?
Yes.
And what caused you, have you made the decision to do this in the first place?
It was always something I wanted to do, but I never had enough nerve to actually look into it.
Right.
And then one of my good friends had liposuction done to the abdomen and flanks,
Yes.
and it was Dr. Kim who did it.
So it was a referral?
Yes.
What were the reasons why you chose him in the first place besides the referral? Did you check him out?
Yes, I did.
And how did you check him out?
Well, I checked if he had any complaints on him.
Right.
I looked if he was board certified.
Yes.
I knew two girls that he worked on.
How long ago was the surgery, by the way?
3 weeks ago.
3 weeks. Amazing. Wow. And how do you feel?
I feel great.
So the change was immediate.
The change was immediate, yeah.
Did they have any what was the recovery period for something like this?
Well, she's probably still a little swollen, actually, but
Wow.
most of the swelling goes out in the first few weeks. But she'll still be changing. She'll probably still get a little thinner over the next month or two.
Right. So I'm pleased to have with us one more client of Dr. Kim's, Lauren Levenhagen, right?
Yes.
It's a good German name, isn't it? Yes. Now, you're an unusual case. What did you have done with Dr. Kim?
I had rhinoplasty, but it was revision rhinoplasty.
Revision, and we're going to talk common language here. You actually went to another plastic surgeon, or so-called plastic surgeon,
Yes.
which the important part of our show in the beginning was choosing a good surgeon, and he kind of butchered your nose, didn't he?
It wasn't really butchered. It just wasn't to the results that I expected.
Yeah.
He told me right up front he was going to be conservative.
Conservative meaning what? Do half a job?
No, because
What didn't you like about his work?
My original nose was much bigger, and I felt it was still the same length, and the bump that had originally come out, it was kind of like growing back.
Yeah.
So,
Is that possible?
Sometimes in the healing process, the bones can make a little
Yeah.
bump on top, come back a little bit. But she also had some
yeah.
hanging from the columella, and her tip was projecting a little bit too
Really?
far
Yeah.
out.
How did
She
you
had a
find
little
this?
strange tip graft too, as I recall. It felt like a little hard ball to tip.
Yes.
So there are like a lot of little things that needed to be corrected with hers.
Now, then how did you end up finding Dr. Kim?
I did the first surgeon I didn't research
You
at
threw the
all.
dart against the wall.
I did, and I didn't ask to see any before or after pictures. I think I
Wow.
might have been his first patient with rhinoplasty.
Really?
I
They still in
just
business?
wanted it done that bad. But
Yeah.
with Dr. Kim, I did my research. I looked at before and after pictures, and one after another, they were perfect. I would have taken any of those noses. So.
Well, first of all, let me tell you, your nose is beautiful.
Thank you.
And you did great work, and that's probably why you're here. Now, Dr. Kim, I want to thank you for being on the show.
Thank you.
You've had some clients, patients that come in here, and they highly recommend you. In fact, most of them were referred by other clients, and that's the best business to be in.
Right.
Some of the techniques you use, some of the procedures you have are, really unique and useful, and they meet the needs of the client. And I'm glad you're on the show. Can you give out your website one more time?
Website address is www.beverlyhillsplasticsurgery.com.
And your telephone number?
310-271-6996.
If you want a board-certified surgeon with great credentials, go to Dr. Kim. You've got his website. My name is Steve Murphy. This is the Insider Exclusive. You can catch more of this show at www.insiderexclusive.com. And thanks for joining us.